Melting glaciers. Melting glaciers refers to the process where large masses of ice, called glaciers, gradually turn into water due to increasing temperatures. Glaciers are found in polar regions, like Antarctica and Greenland, and high mountain ranges. Causes of melting glaciers. Global warming. Rising temperatures caused by greenhouse gases. Climate change. Shifts in weather patterns leading to warmer seasons. Human activities. Burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution. Ocean warming. Warmer seas melt glaciers from below. Effects of melting glaciers. Rising sea levels leads to flooding of coastal areas. Loss of freshwater. Glaciers store about 69% of the world's freshwater. Disruption of ecosystems affects animals like polar bears and seals. Extreme weather can cause droughts, storms, and unpredictable rainfall. Examples: Himalayan glaciers are shrinking rapidly. Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets are losing billions of tons of ice every year. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that trap heat and keep our planet warm, much like the glass of a greenhouse. Without them, Earth would be too cold to live on, but too many greenhouse gases cause global warming and climate change. Main greenhouse gases. 1. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Source: released mainly from burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas, industrial activities, and deforestation. Effect: the largest contributor to global warming. It traps heat for hundreds of years and builds up quickly in the atmosphere. 2. Methane, CH4. Source: produced by livestock, especially cows, landfills, rice farming, and leaks from oil and gas systems. Effect: traps about 25 times more heat than CO2 over 100 years, making it a powerful short-term climate threat. 3. Nitrous oxide, N2O. Source: comes from chemical fertilizers, agriculture, fossil fuel burning, and industrial processes. Effect: a highly potent gas, about 300 times stronger than CO2 in trapping heat, even in small amounts. 4. Water vapor. Source: naturally rises from oceans, rivers, and lakes through evaporation. Warmer temperatures increase its presence. Effect: enhances global warming through a feedback loop. More heat creates more vapor, which traps even more heat. 5. Ozone, O3. Source: formed at ground level by air pollution from vehicles and factories, not to be confused with the ozone layer. Effect: contributes to warming and creates smog, harming air quality and human health. 6. Fluorinated gases. Source: synthetic gases used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and various industrial applications. How greenhouse gases work. Sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere and warms the surface. Earth radiates heat back as infrared energy. Greenhouse gases absorb and trap this heat, preventing it from escaping into space. More greenhouse gases, more trapped heat, higher global temperatures.